My dear students, parents, teachers, non-teaching staff, management, Namaste, good morning. November 26 is celebrated as Constitution Day, Samvidhan Divas, to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India, which came into effect from 26 January 1950. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment on 19th November 2015 notified the decision of Government of India to celebrate 26th day of November every year as Constitution Day to promote constitution values among citizens. So interesting facts we have are the Indian Constitution is completely handwritten and designed. Sri Nandulal Bose, a pioneer of modern Indian art, designed the borders of every page of Constitution and adorned it with art pieces. Sri Prem Bihari Naren Raizada, a master of calligraphic art, single-handed hand-wrote the Constitution. Although it took him 6 months to complete the task, yet the changed no money for his work. The original manuscript of the Constitution was written on parchment sheets measuring 16 into 22 inches, having a lifespan of 1000 years. It's almost a 3.75 kilogram weight. Indian Constitution's name is borrowed from the US. Its positions and functions is borrowed from British Constitution. The CA, in fact, Constituent Assembly is CA. That took 3 years, 1946 to 49, to complete its drafting. CA had 299 elected members from provincial legislative assemblies. The CA had 13 committees, including the drafting committee. The Constitution was adopted in 1949 when 284 members signed it, marking the completion of the Constitution making process. Founding fathers of our constitutions, mainly I talk about Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So these are the minute observations we had. Thank you. Happy Constitution.
Constitution Day is celebrated in our country on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. The day marks the unique historical significance as on this day, November 26, 1949, India adopted its constitution, which came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Constitution Day was first celebrated in 2015 when the central government of India decided to pay tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, an iconic lawyer, scholar, and leader who played a crucial role in the forming of Constitution of India.
Constituent Assembly met for its first session on December 9, 1946 in the drafting committee of the Constitution headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is also known as the architect of the Indian Constitution. Over the course of the next 2 years, the committee took important decisions regarding the objectives, principles, and other aspects of the Constitution. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days to draft it. It was finally adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into effect into 2 months later on 26 January 1950, which is celebrated as Republic Day. It was on this day India marked its journey as independent, sovereign, and republic.
The Constituent Assembly was elected to write the Constitution of India. An idea for the Constituent Assembly was proposed in 1934 by M.N. Roy, and it became the official demand of Congress in 1935. It further led to the creation of Drafting Committee. Drafting Committee was entrusted to the responsibility of making draft constitution. It was set up on 29th August 1947 under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to frame the constitution.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who played an important role in the framing of constitution, and he is the member of the drafting committee. The 2-month period, the adoption and enforcement was used for the rough reading and it was translated from English to Hindi. The Constituent Assembly met for 116 days before the constitution was adopted. The members of the Constituent Assembly signed the 2 handwritten copies, one in English and one in Hindi, in January 24, 1915. The framers of our constitution read the constitution of our countries and put together the best points of each country to give India the best constitution of the world.
It's an introductory statement in a document which explains the philosophy and its objective. In a constitution, preamble presents the intention to its framers, the history behind its formation, and the core values and principles. The preamble highlights the fundamental values and guidelines, principle of the constitution.
The Constitution of India confirms the basic principle that every individual are permitted to enjoy certain basic rights.
The main integrating of these duties in Constitution are to remind people that while enjoying their rights, citizens should also do their work as duties.
Originally, the Constitution contained 395 articles divided in 22 parts and 8 schedules. At present, there are 448 articles and 25 parts and 12 schedules. The numbering still remains the same, but as and when the Constitution is amended, new articles are added below the original articles with suffix A, B, C, etc.
The Constitution of India, the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world, has always been associated with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee and the architect of the Constitution. The first draft of the Indian Constitution, which was completed on 26 November 1949, is no less than a masterpiece. While Nandlal Bose and his students designed the borders of every page and adorned it with beautiful art pieces, it was Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada's single-handed efforts that brought the primary contents and the preamble of the Constitution to life.